Today we have the Soundcore Space Q45 in our hand. It's an often praised headphone for the level of ANC it delivers, low price tag, and support for high quality sound. Thanks Soundcore for sending us this headphone. Today we're gonna go over everything from design, sound, and fits as well as ANC and let you know about our overall experience. Let's go ahead and start the unboxing first. Let's remove the wrap and see what we get inside, and there it is. A nice hard shell carry case which will surely protect the product much better than a soft case. At the bottom here, we have the user manual and looks like everything else is right there in this hard shell case. And there we go. First thing that we've noticed that the headset actually has a premium look and we love the foldable design. Then we have the cables here. We have a 3.5 to 3.5mm cable which we found good to use when the battery dies, and USB-A to USB-C cable. So the Q45 comes in 3 colors and we have the black version here. As far as the build quality, the headset seems better than we expected. These hinges that look like plastic are actually aluminum, and these components are made out of plastic but don't feel cheap. Now here we have this hinge that adjusts and it just clicks, so we were able to tune it according to our head size. And over here we noticed something good. The seals are memory foam and have a nice leather finish. In our hands they were soft enough and you can see how thick they are. Whenever we used them, the headset did not put that much pressure on our heads and ears. We found the cups, the headset, both of them is very flexible and the clamping pressure was decent, we think, and they're definitely not gonna fall off. Even though we've used the headset in various situations such as in our office, at home, it performed very well. Then the thing we loved was how compact this headphone folds down. We just easily carried it in our bag with other daily items and it didn't feel like it took up much space. About the controls, we have some physical buttons right here in both cups. Honestly, we like physical buttons because tapping or touching while the headphone is on our head is kinda annoying. On one side, we have the power button next to the charging port and an LED indicator. Here we have an active noise cancellation button which we were able to toggle with ease, and on the other side we have the volume buttons, a play and pause button, and a headphone jack. All these buttons are well placed and easy to access, and we did not experience any sort of irritation while trying them out. And as for sound quality, well, we've used this headset for several days and we can say the sound quality is average, not that much soothing or frustrating. Because of its wide soundstage and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, we got a decent level of immersion while hearing music, watching movies, and of course playing games. This thing has dual 40mm double-layered diaphragm drivers that also support high-res audio, but we personally prefer a bit more bass and natural sound. That's why we did go into the app, tinkered with the sound effects settings, and we tried to switch them in between, and yes, there were some noticeable differences. While the app does more than just change the signature stock sounds, we also tried out the custom mode, transparency mode, and the adjustable EQ there. The transparent mode was a good balance of music and surrounding noise. It's a good thing to have as we were always aware of our surroundings. Now, while this isn't the biggest strength of this headphone, but we found it to be functional and useful sometimes. Also, when we used this headphone in wired mode, we experienced a clean cut and detailed audio performance while the bass took a slight hit. Next, let's talk about the noise cancellation feature of this Space Q45. The headset is equipped with a 3-stage noise cancelling system, and Soundcore claims that it can reduce up to 98% of the noise. Although we're not sure about the mathematical terms, but we can say that the ANC performed pretty well when we first tried it on. To experience the peak ANC performance, we tried the headset in some noisy outdoor spaces where we did not encounter any performance issues whatsoever. Battery life has always been a solid concern for us, but we found the battery performance of the Q45 to be just good enough, especially considering its lower price tag compared to other prominent models. After returning home from a casual day out, we tested the headphones by watching movies, playing games, listening to music, and even after using it for a while, the battery life did not mess around. However, Soundcore claims that the Space Q45 has an ultra-long 50-hour playtime, and as far as battery life goes, we were not experiencing any problems and found it to be the standard. Now, let's talk about some extra features we got from this Q45. First, we got 2 microphones on board, which helped us to make clear calls, video chatting, and some note-taking recordings too. What we also loved is this headphone supports multi-point connectivity, which allowed us to pair and switch between our phone and laptop without having to go through the annoying pairing process every time. After discussing all aspects, we found that the Space Q45 is a pretty good combination of design, features, price, and performance. Therefore, we recommend it to anyone looking for a typical all-rounder headset at an affordable price tag. So this was all about the Soundcore Space Q45. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.